What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. You feel me? In today's video I will be painting the springs and everything I told you guys I'm gonna paint in the last video. Hope you guys watched the last video and the one before that, because we are on part 14 of rebuilding this car, or 15 I think. I hope you guys watched all the parts, but I'm gonna repaint the springs, the shocks, every single thing. I'm gonna have to repaint it in this video. So yeah, let's start with it. And hopefully in today's video I can finally show you guys what engine we're getting for this car, because we've been waiting for the transmission, and we did finally get the transmission. Let me show you guys what it is. And by the way, I showed you guys in the last video, we are going to be painting the springs that color. It is not white. It might look white on the video, but that's not white. It's like a pinkish, it's a pinkish, yeah, this is the color. It's like, it looks peach pink, you know. I don't know what color this is, but I like this color, and that's the color we're going to be painting the springs and the calipers of the car. This is the transmission we got for the car. I know it looks dirty, but I'm going to clean it in this video and make sure it looks good again. This is a FFZ. It's from a Velocity Golf. I think it's a 5-speed, I believe so. I wish it was a 6-speed, but I believe it's a 5-speed. Hi guys, I'm in Maria's garage, and I just set these up right now because I'm about to paint these. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some thinners, brush it all over them, and then I'm gonna start with the primer, let it dry, then I'm gonna paint the black paint. Just had to do it here because my garage is a little bit too small to at least hang things like this. So let me start. You wash it, and then you apply thinners, and then thinners basically takes out the rest of the dirt, all the small dirt that you can't see, and all of those other things. Yeah, that's what it takes out. This is how they look with primer on. I'm just gonna let it dry. And while we wait for these to dry, I'm gonna start primering these. I'm gonna put thinners on it first and then primer these. I had a feeling that was gonna happen.
Holy shit.
That's how these look once they're primed. And these are now dry, as you can see. So I'm gonna start with the black paint here. That's how you look once they paint it. Oh, I missed the spot. I'll fix that, but yeah, you get the gist. And meanwhile, while I wait for this to dry, I'm gonna paint that and these. Mainly these two. This has still left to scrub and wash and everything. These I already did that, so I'm gonna put them right here and then start painting these. I'm gonna put some thinners, obviously, then primer, same process as this, just here now. Hands are made dirty. But these are getting drier and drier now. You guys can start to see how they are looking. These two. And I painted that. Painted the springs too. And I'm painting that black. You guys know what engine this is? Comment down below.
Hold it like this quickly. Just want to get 2 edge starts temporarily.
This is gonna be a nice build, man. This is gonna be a nice ass build, I won't lie. Back, guys, so finally today you guys are gonna see the engine. I showed you guys the transmission we got. This is the engine. It is a 2-liter from a Golf. Now, no, it does not look good right now, but I'm gonna clean it up. It is going to look good and it's going to be fast. But right now we took the bantam. Maria's left right there, so we are not carrying that all the way down here. We had to take the bantam, reverse it in, and then reverse it out. I mean, take it out. So I packed it like this. Now we have to get this into that. Oh, this is gonna be, it's not gonna be that hard. But my hands are mad slippery, mad wet. The steering wheel of the bantam is like that too. So yeah. And at first we thought it was a 4-speed, but it is a 5-speed, luckily. I'm so happy about that. I don't want a 4-speed. But yeah, 2-liter engine, bro. This is what we're putting inside the Corsa. A whole 2-liter. We obviously need to get valve covers. Need to get every single thing, bro. Exhaust manifold, intake, everything we need to get. And then it's gonna look good. Saying you basically want to put this onto that and then put it there just to see how it's gonna look. I pray this looks good. It's gonna look very good. But yeah, we are putting a 2-liter engine inside this car. You know, if I never met you, none of this shit would have happened. It's going to be the same spot.
See, open gaps and shit. You're gonna need to buy. There's a plate, a back plate that comes on here. You need that back plate, and you need a flywheel and a clutch. But for now, to build the mounts and everything is just good enough. It looks and walk with you as well. Hold on.
And I feel like it's gonna remove the battery. At first we thought, okay, we knew it was gonna fit, but we thought it was gonna be like a way harder job to make it fit. It's still going to be a hard job to make the mount and stuff, but everything is possible at least. This is exactly how it's gonna sit. Except
just
obviously.
rotate it to stand upright a bit more, and then maybe bring it a bit more upwards.
Higher.
Forward and back and left to right is good.
The head is gonna reach up to somewhere here.
This thing I think we're gonna have to cut it for the intake because the head sits like here. And then intake folds up, this thing's gonna be in the way.
So yeah, I told you guys about the engine and everything, but right now Marius is putting in the shocks. That's what you saw on the time lapse. I forgot to explain.